pleasure.
The motherfucker, yeah, some white boy, oh no, I'm sorry, a Cuban is gonna say nigga. And you know what? I'm a white boy, and I'm saying nigga.
Freedom of speech, bitch!
Pull the trigger.
Nigga!
I don't give a fuck!
Nigga!
And you niggas gotta know what's up!
Yeah!
Like Little John!
I like cats!
Alright, now here's the fuck.
Yo, Dark Carney till the day I fucking die. I'm a better rapper than that fucking queer ply. Fuck Lil Wayne, he ain't no fucking skater. You don't like me, then you can be my fucking hater. I'm on the top and I'm not gonna stop. I'll fucking load a clip and I'll shoot the fucking Glock. Put a bullet in your brain, call me and fucking sane. I'll be institutionalized into the fucking brain, shot with a needle going through my ass. Niggas know that I'm a fucking blast from the past. I be making the future for your motherfucking kids to the value, nigga. Now you know I'm on a roll, I'm on a fucking roll. I be making the dough, I be smacking that cheddar and sending you a fucking letter, cocaine in that bitch. Niggas already know I'm on that fucking shit and I'ma spit my fucking flow. Dark Carnies, they're all around. I see them eyes watching, about to put me in the ground. And I hear this song, and I know this sound, that there's the shadows watching me, and they're all around.
I apply my precise way of taking your life. Too many pawns that are expendable to my plan devised. In the shadows securing and deterring my assailants' futile attempts to sum my final fucking breath. No way, no game, just paranoid tactics and overly applied theatrics formed by a typical minuscule like the fucking triple claymore. An open view from me to you of a spits of fucking truth. Don't worry, I should say you scurry back due to the fact that I am coded to this life. The same goes for yours, so you can bet safely I'll open up the irrigated blood lines and shut the fucking flow. So sweet, so slow. A bloody memory is all that's left of thee after your fatality. Compliments of me, Dark Carney. Please, there's no need for thanks and all that. I'm driven by a force to save those who can't react.
Dark Carnies, they're all around. And as I look up, I see the bodies falling to the ground. I pop this track, and I see the sound. But I see that Dark Carney, and he's following me all around. Yeah! Bitch! Nigga! Ah! What? Nigga! Yeah! Dark Carney! You're a cunt! I'm a son of a son! If you don't like it, then shut up your ass! And make it fucking close! My pupils are dilated because we're drunk, bitch. Right. I like rusty swords!